Let me tell you a harsh truth. Sometimes the people who laugh at you, tease you, or even mock you are unknowingly giving you the greatest gift of your life, and that is constructive criticism. I remember back in school, one of my friends was constantly teased for having a fat body. People used to call him fat again and again. At that time, it hurt him a lot, but instead of letting that pain crush him, he turned it into fuel. He joined the gym, stayed consistent, and today, he has built a body that most of us can only dream of. His confidence and his personality is completely transformed. That's the power of constructive criticism. It may sting in the moment, but if you use it right, it can change your life forever. See, constructive criticism doesn't always sound sweet. Sometimes it feels like an insult, a joke, or even bullying. But deep down, it plants a seed inside you, a seed that can either break you or push you to grow. And that's where the turning point comes into life. If you could ever interact with creatives who don't criticize but brainstorm and grow, while learning my style of content creation, I have built a private community which gives you that. And lastly, remember, critics exist, but wisdom knows which to ignore.